Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to fix login issues with your Twitter X Ads account. Accessing your ads account is crucial for managing campaigns and tracking performance, and these steps will help you regain access safely. Step 1. Go to the Twitter Ads login page and enter the email address or username associated with your ads account, along with your password. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email or phone number to reset your password. Step 3. Check your email inbox and spam folder for the password reset email. Open the email and create a new, strong, and secure password. Step 4. If your account has two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled, enter the verification code from your Authenticator app or SMS when prompted. Step 5. Ensure that your account has the correct permissions to access Twitter ads. Sometimes login issues occur if your account is restricted or if your access to the ads account has been removed. Contact the primary account admin if necessary. Step 6. Clear your browser cache or try logging in from a different browser or device to resolve potential technical issues. Step 7. If you're still unable to log in, contact Twitter X Ads support. Provide details about your account, campaigns, and any error messages you receive so their team can assist you efficiently. Following these steps will help you resolve most login issues and regain access to your Twitter X Ads account quickly and securely. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.